Hi, let me introduce myself. I am Mohammed Salahuddin. I have completed my post-graduation in literature and I have also done a PG diploma in English language teaching. Later, I acquired life skills certification through GE and soft skills certification through Alliance Education, and I have been imparting training programs at various engineering and management colleges pan-India, and I have also handled sessions for corporate industry. With this experience, I have come into the field of spoken English, and now I am available in Hyderabad with an institute, You Can. So times are tough, but still we need to really utilize this time in the most optimistic way and in a productive manner. I have just launched an online course of spoken English through the institute You Can. What exactly happens, a lot of people think that, if I can speak English, I can teach anybody English. Unfortunately, it is not that way. We all have been associated with English throughout our schooling and college life. Like, 15 to 17 years of educational life, we were associated with English, but unfortunately, it remained as a subject. That is the reason most of the graduates and postgraduates are unable to speak in English language. They find it very difficult to communicate in English. Over a period of time, with a lot of experience, we could understand the nuances of this line and finally come out with a successful funda. Today, I can confidently claim that the success rate that we impart at UCAN is quite high. Frankly speaking, it is more than 95% success rate when it comes to the students getting satisfied and speaking fluently. You can utilize this opportunity. You can improve your communication skills staying at home and getting connected with me. And my dear friends, the duration is just 1 month and we'll have 1.5 hour session every day, Monday to Saturday. So my dear aspirants, the purpose of learning spoken English is to speak fluent English without any hiccups, without any inhibition, and to speak confidently. And most of the students and the fresh graduates and postgraduates, they try to come and learn this language so that they can crack the interviews. When you want to learn a language, the first thing, you need to have sharp listening. The second thing, you need to speak more. Here with UCAN, what we do is we follow a system called dynamic immersion, where we have divided the whole training program into 3 modules, and each module has several capsules where the students are utilizing the time to speak more. So my dear friends, what we felt is, during this lockdown period, a lot of students are stranded, and once this lockdown is lifted off, the students have to get into the job market and try to acquire jobs. So why don't you utilize this time positively by mastering the communication skills with us. And we confidently tell you that you can learn this language in a duration of 1 month with an able trainer assisting you and mentoring you. So my dear friends and my dear students, all the best and hope to meet you soon.